Hey y'all, I've been at the thrift shop. Let's give some old clothes a new life. Put your gloves on. Come on, let's go. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Here's a cute little thrift store shirt that I have found. It's a 100% cotton polyester accents, been soaking in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more, spun out in the washing machine till damp. We're going to fold it in half from top to bottom, from collar to hem. Make sure there's no wrinkles because we're going to do like a mirror design. You can go ahead and let the sleeves do whatever they want to do. Go ahead and turn your shirt and start from the bottom and just crinkle it together. No rhyme, no reason. Just don't wad it up. Make sure it's a good crinkle. Now that you have your crinkle in place, you'll want to rubber band it together so the design stays together. Use as many rubber bands as you need. It's not going to affect the design or the way that the die lays across the design. Just make sure that that crinkle stays nice and secure. This looks great. Let's go dye it. Okay, here's our folded in half, crinkled little fan sleeved cute little shirt. And so when you fold it in half and you crinkle it, that's going to give you like an ink blot, a Rorschach kind of design. It's going to mirror each other once you open it up. It makes for really cool, like if you see faces and things and shapes in designs, they really pop when you do your crinkles like this. Today we're going to be using natural fiber procion dyes, and the colors, they're going to be mixed to the manufacturer's specifications. Today we're going to be using, what's this one? We're going to use sweet pea, we're going to use red violet, and we're going to use ultraviolet. I'm going to start with my lightest color first, which is going to be the sweet pea. And I am just going to randomly put dots on this. Just squeezing some dots out because we want some white in there too. Okay? And then the same with my red violet. I'm going to outline my dots with the red violet, just to fill in that negative space. And I'm doing a random pattern. I'm leaving some white. And that's then with our ultraviolet. Got a mess down there in my well. With the ultraviolet, I'm going to do that, you know, that squiggle that I like to do. So I'm going to hit some of these white spaces, just a little bit. Got a lot of white up here in this possibly polyester. And then, now that I've got that covered, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, done. I'm going to turn it over. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to take my sweet pea, and I'm just going to make some dots. Take my red violet and outline all of those dots. Then I'm going to take my ultraviolet, go in and kind of fill in the blanks there a little bit, where I got some white, because we want some white in there. And then we go zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, done. That's it. It's going to make some peaks and valleys. It's going to make some cool designs. And I'll see you in 24 hours. Okay, here it is. We normally hang it up here so we can see both sides, but this is my size, and I'm modeling for a change. I'm feeling quite sassy in this little top. this mottled design in all of the different purples with the white in it. It's accented by the polyester lace in the sleeves that didn't take the dye, because we use a natural fiber procion dye. This is a synthetic, so it stays white, accents the white. How cute, how cute. And these, I call them butterfly. I don't know what to call these sleeves, but they make me feel so fancy. Here it is. How cute is this? Look what we did today. Oh, if it hadn't have sold, I would keep this one. I really, really like this one. Almost all of the t-shirts that we do here on my channel are for sale in my Etsy store. There's a link in the description box below that'll take you to my Etsy store. So if you like any of the designs that we've done, you can buy one for yourself. And if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. My channel is loaded with content. Sometimes I model the tie-dye, and we do crocheting and jewelry making, spirituality, cooking. I mean, who knows? Who knows? Going to Bonnaroo. Maybe I'll take the camera and do some stuff at Bonnaroo too. I'm real excited about that. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. Try something new today. Who knows? You might like it. I'll talk to you soon.